of work towards recruiting male champions, you know, in the outfits we work with, in the community-based organizations, paralegals, women rights defenders. So I believe that, just as Beatrice says, let's focus more on the prevention. So the advocacy around prevention is that, one, we are bringing these men to be at the forefront. So part of it is also just talking about mental health, you know, because I feel that there's a gap in terms of people just accepting rejection, you know. That's why we are saying that as women, if I'm approached by a man and I say no, can that no mean no? And you know, now we are having conversations about people who are dead, and I'm just wondering, there's so many cases that we are doing of rape, defilement, attempted rape, and even sexual harassment. It starts from that part where somebody is not able to accept rejection, you know. And I am using the strong term rejection, but that is what it is. If I don't like you, I don't like you. If you don't like me, you don't like me. And let's just move on, come on, you know. So part of it is, how do you handle rejection? You may genuinely like someone, but if they don't feel your vibe, please move on, yeah. So then also, as what Beatrice has said, there are certain things that could have then been as a result of our socialization or how somebody was raised. And if you discover it's a problem, then you need to seek help, you know. That's why now I feel that we need to really integrate the mental health aspect of it, you know, the psychosocial support, and the fact that if you are having a problem around not knowing how to handle a no, or just some, I will just call them sexual fantasies or fetishes, then you can actually get help, because there's a way that can be addressed. So I will just add my voice to call the men to come out and speak out. Please share your experiences as well, because probably they are not talking, but I believe if we address those things that we are calling stereotypes, we are calling gender stereotypes, because also men have been cultured to keep silent, you know, that when you speak out, you're not man enough. That is not acceptable in this age and era. And also, just keep saying that when someone comes out, let's support them, let's not shame them. You know, there's been so many good steps that we've seen, like the police service now are more receptive, though of course we've also had some of them who are not that receptive, because when the Matara case came out, I saw women saying that we have reported this man before, sorry, and not much has been done towards even investigation, you know, or even apprehending them. So there could be certain people in the police service that are yet to really up their game, but I know the functional gender desks have really learned that you cannot victim shame anymore. Listen, support these victims, because we are now moving towards a victim-centered approach. Absolutely, it's not just about that perpetrator, it's also about the victim and their family. Absolutely. Beatrice, just following up on Jan.